gather round and hear my tale about three honest guys who earn their loot in jeans and boots neath California skies. They come in different sizes, but the goal is all the same: to bring some gold and plunder to the KC Power Clean name. When old El Sol begins his stroll across Laguna skies, they're double checking the windows and the concrete's almost dry. Where the rigs and tools and diesel fuels put a callus on your hand. It's about like digging trenches or deadliest catch on land. 'Twas in the year of 2006 when Chris was just a lad. He was tired of staying up all night waxing floors with his dad. So he wished farewell to dear old Pop and he came to this here town. Now we earn our dough cleaning glass, you know, and washing houses down.